outside.
Come on.
Come outside.
No,
come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Come with them.
Go get a gun, nigga.
Come with them.
Money long dollar, let peace.
Come with them.
No, hold on, bro. Get a gun, nigga. Shit, I'm gonna put this place on the lockdown, bro. Fuck you, nigga. Who you talking? I'm gonna fuck your wife tonight, nigga. Cause you're nothing but a money long dollar. The girl that is selling you alcohol, stolen shoes, everything, I got them on recording, nigga. The whole stolen properties is on recording, nigga.
What did you record him like that?
You say what?
Did you record him like that?
Look,
Come
outside, bro.
Did you record him like that? Give me my plus charge shit.
You say what?
Did you record him like
You know you
that?
did manage fraud,
Come on,
right?
Gerard.
You know you did manage fraud. I can fuck your wife tonight. I can fuck your wife tonight. Nigga, come outside, nigga. You said you killed all 80 people. It's on recording, nigga. I'm gonna escalate your case to DOJ. I'm gonna put this place on the lock, nigga. Call who you know, nigga. Fuck out of here. You buy stolen goods. The guy is in jail, nigga. You say what? What degree you got? Other than raping people and money laundering, what degree you got? I got BSc in nursing, nigga. Fuck you, you know. Call the police, nigga.
Excuse me.
You Alice shit. How you doing? You don't know me?
I know you.
Okay. Do you know me as a problem somebody?
No, I don't know you as a
There's a
problem
reason why,
somebody,
bro.
okay? But,
Let him call 911.
But guess what?
Go ahead, bro.
The important thing is this.
Yeah, what's important?
The important thing is that
Sir, let me give you my YouTube because I don't have time, bro. Let me give you my YouTube. On November 27, I streamed live a video here with Tim Anyanwu. They said it's their violation. I came to say sorry. They traumatized me. I've not worked for 5 months. They broke my mental rebound. I've lost 50,000 in wages. I've been to Kaiser 15 times. My brother, I don't know who you know. I know you know Dr. Obi Francis. I know you know Dozier. I know you know Amani Stone. I know you know Nale. I know you know Jude Nkwanta. My brother is married to Jude Nkwanta. I know you know Galazi. I'm from Oketiti. Are you from Nigeria?
listen.
No. Where are you from? Let me tell you where I know where you came from.
I'm from Nnewi.
No, you're from Nnewi. Let me help you.
Hold on.
I was on phone with Ezo Gidi. Afamobi is my junior seminary school. I graduated teaching hospital in 2007. I know Lassie.
Which seminary school did you go to?
St. Christopher's 33. If you are under the diocese, if you are familiar with home parent, Aegis is my elder brother, mom's uncle.
Okay.
Dr. Ezekiel Mogo CPM is my uncle. If I come to Nnewi without 1 naira, I'll be glad, bro.
Listen.
Like I can call Kenneth Yolizu, I can call Obuawa, I can call him Nothing, I can call him Bono.
Okay. In Oketi.
But me, I can start calling them, bro. I know you, but you don't know me, bro. I see you at Stonegate. Do you know about Edwards Obake Jagwa from Ezobolo? Do you know about Abat?
Yes.
Do you know him? Abat is my in-law. The sister is my wife. Is my brother.
No
Call Abat, ask him and disrespectful. 15 years in America, I don't have a parking ticket. For P&J to assault me, say I'm mad, I haven't worked. My brother, if you call me again, I will take a video of you. If you have a situation, you call Igbo Nnewi, or you call Etiaba, or you call IBL CIA. I've escalated the case to DOJ. No, they will pay me 50,000 in loss of wages, 700 in metal rebound. They will pay me $1 million for my foundation. They will pay for my trauma. Somebody that has no CNA. I left him there with 27 as a BSN nurse, and he says I'm mad. I want to teach him advanced psychiatry. I will escalate their case to New Black Movement, Okete Improvement, Anambra State Government, ICPC, FCC, EFCC, SSS, DOJ, FBI, CIA. If I can't, this guy told me he killed people in Okete. He told me he killed my uncles.
The problem.
On a recorded video, he said he killed my uncles. It's on YouTube.
The problem.
I will escalate this case to government case.
This door is damaged.
Okay, fuck you. Fuck you, nigga. I'm gonna fix it. I have a war to Negi. Put outside, I'm gonna fix this door. Stupid ass imbecile.
The problem is
this.
The problem is this.
What's the problem?
The problem is this.
Is what?
You see, if you are presenting your matter...
I don't have time to talk to you. If you have a situation, call 911, bro. You forget about them, say give it.